Go.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to this farm and we will have our own cameras so then we can film each other. Benjy, don't forget to show them unicorns.
There aren't any unicorns.
Well, also, we are also...
So we're going to Boydells farm.
Yeah.
And we're seeing like all the like pigs and alpacas and llamas and stuff like that. So we're just gonna be wandering around, like explaining it and showing you guys like the animals.
Take us half an hour. So guys, did you see the teddy unicorn? He's my teddy unicorn, but he's just taking a nap. So yeah, it's gonna be quite a long journey.
Yeah, fairly long. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Alright, see you guys at the farm. So we're a minute away and we have challenges. To take a picture of every animal in the cage.
And you guys will see that.
You'll try it, yeah. And we have to high five 5 strangers.
Except for me and Ella, we have
No,
to do
they're doing 1, I'm doing 3. And I don't really... There are 2 challenges mainly. So we're gonna, oh yeah, also, so our favourite animal from the farm, we're gonna try and get a souvenir closest to
I can
it.
literally already see animals. Chickens! You guys,
Chickens.
You can just see some.
There are chickens in there.
My has just woken up from her nice nap.
Yeah, so there's a chicken over there. And you guys are gonna see the animals.
So you can just see my unicorn has
I'll see you guys when we're in.
To give you an idea what's happening today,
So Benji's gonna hold this baby lamb and it's like cotton. She's eating Benji's tongue. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey eater and he had 1 leg, 1 eye. He liked to listen to country music. It was very slim. It was a linky honky tonky winky wonky 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 donkey donkey.
At the end, the donkey. Can you keep her still?
We don't like it on the head, does it?
Oh, that was a lick. Is that it? Oh my God.
They're fighting. They're fighting. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh. They're so cute. Alpaca. Alpacas in the woods go alpaca.
More photos?
And llamas in the forest go alpaca. Alpaca.
Alpaca.
I want to feed the alpacas
But he doesn't.
right now.
Let me
cute one.
see.
Alpaca.
In the woods.
Alpacas in the woods. Alpaca in the woods. Come alpaca.
Yeah, oh.
Alpaca. No, Benji, feed them. They're really, they're soft. No, Ella, they're alpacas. They have long necks. Look. Ella, look, alpaca.
Can I stroke it?
No, you don't stroke alpaca. Alpaca! 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 Alpaca!
Isaac. This.
I love them.
Yeah.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and do all that stuff. We basically, an overcover, we held chicks, we saw alpacas and llamas and all those fun animals, and it was really fun. So I advise for you to go there. And please just go to my other videos, we do a lot of fun there. So I'll see you next time.